Hey travel enthusiasts! If you're wondering what to wear in Thailand, you've come to the right place. I've been living here since 2019 with my 2 daughters and husband, and today I'm sharing my essential tips on what to wear to make sure you're comfortable, respectful, and ready for anything. First, the weather. Thailand has 3 main seasons. From March to June, it's super hot, with temperatures up to 40 degrees Celsius. From July to November, it's rainy season. Expect quick, heavy downpours. And from November to February, it's cool season. But it's still warm in most places, though it can get chilly in the north at night. So pack for heat and humidity, not for cold. Next, culture. Thais are polite and open-minded, but modesty is important, especially at temples, villages, or local homes. Walking around in a bikini is fine at the beach, but not at a 7-Eleven or local market. It's just not respectful. Now, what to actually wear? Do wear light, breathable fabrics. Think cotton, linen, bamboo, or quick-dry polyester. I live in yoga wear because it's comfy and dries fast. Choose loose-fitting clothes. They're better for the heat and keep mosquitoes away. Pack something modest for temple visits. Cover your shoulders and knees. Wear slip-on shoes. You'll need to take them off often. And don't forget a scarf. It's perfect for sun protection, a temple cover-up, or a blanket. Avoid super revealing clothes. Skip heavy fabrics like jeans or wool. Don't go barefoot outside. It's seen as unhygienic. And don't wear beachwear in town. Bring a cover-up or loose shirt when leaving the beach. Lastly, don't overpack. Laundry is cheap and easy everywhere. So what should you wear in Thailand? Light, loose, respectful, and practical. That's the magic combo. For my full list of packing tips, head over to nomadmum.com. And if you've had any clothing fails or fun moments dressing for Thailand, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.